Mr. Speaker, Mr. President, members of the Congress. 3 years ago, I left America in grief to bury my husband, Ninoy Aquino. I thought that would be the end of my role in politics, but fate had other plans. Today, I stand before you as the president of a free people, a people who have regained their democracy through peaceful means. We Filipinos showed the world that courage and unity can defeat dictators. Without violence, without hatred, we restored our freedom. Our revolution was not just political victory, it was a moral one. It proved that the power of people is stronger than fear. But our work is not yet finished. Democracy must be protected, nurtured, and strengthened. We now face the challenge of rebuilding our nation. Its economy, its institutional, and its faith in justice. Ask for your continued support, not just for me but for Filipino people who have chosen the path of freedom. Together, let us show the world that democracy, once restored, will endure. Thank you, and may God bless you all.